Hello, in this video, let's learn how to evaluate completely this square root question. We're asked to evaluate completely 2 to the power of 6 to the power of 2 to the power of 1 to the power of 5 and to the power of 9. Now, if you are given this question, what will you do? Pay attention as we will use step-by-step method in seeing a solution to this question. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Now, to solve this question, first of all, I'm going to assume the value of x or y, value of y to be equal to the first power, which is 5 to the power of 9. Now, if I do that, I'm going to arrive at a solution. And what would the solution be? That will now give me the square root of 2 to the power of 6 to the power of 2 to the power of 1 and to the power of y. Great. Now, in my next assumption, I'm going to assume that my 1 to the power of y is equal to, let's assume, is 1. Now, if I assume that, that will make that equation to now become the square root of 2 to the power of 6 to the power of 2 and to the power of 1. Great. In the next step, I'm going to consider the next exponent or power, and the next exponent is 2 to the power of 1. And 2 to the power of 1 normally is equal to 2. So I'm going to replace that with the value of 2 to the power of 2. So the expression will now become the square root of 2 to the power of 6, right, to the power of 2. Great. Now, in the next step, what I'm going to do is to look at 6 to the power of 2, which is the next power, to be equal to 6 to the power of 2 is 6 multiplied by 6, right? And that will be equal to 36. So I'm going to have that to give me 36. With that, the square root will become 2 to the power of 36. So you see, gradually we are breaking that square root to a lower value. We are evaluating it to a lower value. Now, what do we do from here? Recall that the square root of any value, if we have the square root of x, this can be equal to x to the power of 1 divided by 2, right? So that square root will be taken away, and that expression will now give me 2 to the power of 36, right? Or multiply by 1 divided by 2. As protocol has it, the exponent will have to multiply. So I'm going to have 2 to the power of 36 multiplied by 1 divided by 2. 2 here will give me 1, while 2 here will give me 1 and what? And 8. So that will give me 18. So that fraction will now be reduced to 2 to the power of 18. Now, what will this give me? If I simplify this, I'll have to recall that my 18 is equal to 9 multiplied by 9, right? So if 18 gives me 9 multiplied by 9, that expression will now be 2 to the power of 9 multiplied by 9. And what will the result be? According to the law of indices, I can isolate this to give me 2 to the power of 9 multiplied by 2 to the power of 9. Great. Now, in the next step, 2 to the power of 9 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Remember that, into 9 places, and that will give me 5, 1, 2, right? 512 multiplied by another 512, which is equal to 2 to the power of 9. So if we multiply this, this definitely is going to give me 512 what? Square. Now if I find 512 square, definitely I'm going to use a calculator, and I don't want to use a calculator. So how do I simplify this? Now I'm going to use algebraic formula. If I utilize algebraic formula, this is going to give me 500, right, plus 12. So I'm going to break that into two distinct places. 500 plus 12 will still give me 512 what? Square. Now recall an algebraic expression that if I have A plus B all squared, right? This can be equal to A square plus 2AB, right? Then the second plus the square of the second. That's an algebraic formula. From that expression, my A is equal to 500 and my B is equal to 12. Now, if I expand that using algebraic formula, that expression will now give me the value 500 square, right, plus 2 multiplied by 500 multiplied by 12 plus 12 what? Square. So what will this whole value give me? If I simplify that, 500 square is going to give me 25,000, because 5 times 5 is 25,000. Then I'll put my 4 zeros, right? 1, 2, 3, right? And 4. That's 250,000, right? This would be plus 2 times 5 is 10, and that is going to give me what? 10,000. 10,000 times 12 is going to give me 12,000. So I'll have that to become 12,000, and this is going to give me 144. So the summation of all this will give me that value. So I have 250,000 plus 00012 plus 144. Now, when I sum up all this, what will my solution be? My solution is going to be 4, 4, 1, 2, 6, and what? And 2. So the solution to that expression is 2, 6, 2, 1, 4, 4. And that is the solution to the complete evaluation of that square root expression that is given to us up here. Great, right? So you see, solving expression like this can be very easy as long as we can be able to use the laws of indices and also use mathematics expressions or algebraic formulas in getting the solution to this. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.